Bagli lives in a very secluded lane. It's filled with trees. There are bats on those trees. And spiders, huge spiders, the tarantulas crawling all over.
Which I invite.
Yeah, and she makes special breakfast for those tarantulas.
Classes with her mom, and the fan and everything was off, and she entered her house and suddenly the music box started playing.
Like was tilted this side, and then after that the skeleton was tilted this side. His hair is blue, then later is blue, and he hates horror movies. A dark cape swirls around him in the wind. His tri-corner hat covers his face. Two almond-shaped eyes shiver on him, eagle-eyed and ready at her feet, living in a sturdy and well-built house.
The only man living down the Woolsburn area in the foothills of the Himalayas. Quite lonely, I guess.
Does he kill snow leopards? Maybe he loves snow leopards.
Maybe he rides a snow leopard. That could be his vehicle.
Are snow leopards found in the Himalayas?
She captures people and takes them to her house and murders them.
He has thick hair in which birds build nests and their eggs hatch. The center of his head has a bald patch. His body has various tattoos drawn on them like skulls and writings. His shadow always has a different position than the way he is standing.
Was set in a small oval face, caused him to look rather funny. A man of few words, his nature was secretive and rather strange.
My characters are the Nomang. They have rosy cheeks, pointy hats, and they kill humans.
Eyes have a life of their own, one green and the other grey. They seize you up in a single sight and they've got something in them. They have a sinister blue fire and golden specks, and they can pierce through yours and reveal your secrets. His nose is crooked and broken at the bridge. An evil smirk turns up his nose and wrinkles his cruelly glinting heterochromatic eyes, and his hollow cheeks and thin cheekbones have scars dug into them. The most prominent one stretches up to his forehead and adds to his devilish looks. A cut cinches his right eyebrow in half and gives him a diagonal look. Bloody lips that seem demonic whisper the name of Lucifer. Wow. Oh, wow.